If you're trying to get your business out everywhere like broken glass, I can guarantee you AI marketing is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. So don't worry about getting replaced, worry about becoming in control. And that's what we're here to do in this intro to AI marketing mastery class. Now, you don't have to worry. I've already done a live training that you can see on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check that out. Today, we're going to skip past some of this stuff and we're going to be talking about some examples of how to use AI marketing that we've already seen some of the biggest companies do before. So this should encourage you and give you some ideas of how you can start to use AI marketing in your business. And I really like to showcase what some of these big companies have done because it shows us that we're not above certain things if these bigger multi-billion dollar companies are doing them as well. What do I mean by that? Well, first, I want to go back to 2016, where Starbucks used predictive analytics with loyalty cards and a mobile app to collect and analyze customer data. What does that mean, James Marquez? Well, quite simply, that means that Starbucks understands that their current customer is one of their most valuable customers, and how they can improve on that experience will, one, bring their customers back again and again, and two, their customers will probably bring a friend. And so, as you look at how you can utilize AI marketing in your business, one of the quickest and easiest ways to see some sort of results is to be able to use AI to help you better serve the customers that you have. Now, that means understanding their pain points, understanding their customer journey, understanding what their interests and behaviors are. And these are all things that AI marketing can help you with. The next example is Amazon. In 2019, Amazon was one of the pioneers in using machine learning to offer personalized product recommendations. And now it seems like, that's an everyday thing. And one of the great things about this is your customers are already used to these product recommendations. It's nothing new to them. So if there's a way that you can start to incorporate this into your business, now you're offering your customers another service or incentive that they already are ingrained into using. Now, how do you use this in your business? Well, it could be a number of different ways. Maybe it's you have a product and you showcase different ways to use this product, as well as complementary products and services that will help out with what they already have. Maybe it's different places, different things that you can do that you can recommend to do with your product or service. Again, there's a lot of different ways to break that down. It's all about being creative and using your experience and the strategies that have been time tested and proven for you and your business and your niche to integrate that with AI and take it to another level. Another really cool scenario where one of the big dogs used AI in their marketing is Chase Bank. Now, Chase has used machine learning in their copywriting to help them achieve more humanity in their marketing. Hold up. I know what you're thinking. How are they using machines to sound more human? It almost doesn't make sense. It seems counterintuitive, but check this out. One of the amazing things about Chase Bank, which I love, is the fact that they have multiple locations all across the globe. Now, as a marketing department or a marketing person, how do you speak the language of someone that's in, I don't know, say St. Louis, right? There's a St. Louis Chase Bank. Well, there's also a Chicago Chase Bank, and there's a Bangkok Chase Bank, and there's a London Chase Bank. There's Chase Banks all over the world. And so what AI is able to do is help them to quickly become more personalized, more localized with their copywriting. When you give the machine the tools and the things to say, it's gonna give you the proper output. So, for example, if Chase Bank, that is writing a copy for their Chicago location, they can use AI and say, "Hey, we want you to write a special offer for people that live in the Gold Coast of Chicago between the ages of 29 to 44 that have families." Different things like that. Now the AI is going to start talking that language to those demographics and to what the specific filters that you've given it. And so that's one of the ways that Chase Bank is using AI in their marketing. It's really amazing, the technology that's out there and the things that are coming. Please don't be afraid of it. Get ahead of it so that you don't get replaced. That's why, we created these trainings. This is why we have these courses and these bundles, because we want to be able to equip you with the proper tools and the knowledge to be able to use AI and integrate AI into your career, into your business, into the jobs that you guys have. So check out our website, Legacy Business Inc. If you're looking for the AI Marketing Mastery Bundle, takes you from A to Z, how to integrate, how to understand AI marketing, what tools are the best that you need to use. There are assessments. There's an ebook that talks about the tools and strategies that you need for every part of marketing, whether it's email or SEO or it's sales or product launch. It's all there for you guys. There's also some amazing free downloads that we have to help you with your marketing and your advertising. So go to the website. I promise you, check it out. It's something for everyone there. I'm James Marquez from Legacy Business Partners, and I appreciate you watching this video.